Hey everybody, it's Dr. Kelly from Iowa Family Chiropractic. Today I want to talk to you about how you can alleviate lower back pain on your own at home with a foam roller. Now, if you're already getting adjusted, this is a great addition to your chiropractic adjustments. A foam roller is going to increase flexibility of your spine, it's going to alleviate tight muscles, it's just an all-around awesome tool to have. And like I said, you can do it on your own, which is perfect. So you're gonna start with the foam roller horizontal to your body and start with it on your lower back and just roll up and down across the foam roller, back and forth. And if you find a tight spot or a tender spot, you can pause and spend some time on that spot before moving on to the next section. After your lower back, you want to move up to your middle back. And again, roll up and down until you start to feel all of those muscles release. You might get some little clicks and pops when you do this. That's okay. Finally, you want to work your way up to your upper shoulders. Now, please don't put your neck on the foam roller, but you can put your arms up above your head to get those spots kind of up here in your traps where it's really tight. A lot of people tend to have these muscle knots in their traps. This is great for alleviating those. Now, once you have your spine completely worked out, move on to your quads. So you're going to put your body on the front of the foam roller so you're on top of your quads. You're going to roll again back and forth across the top of the foam roller. Start with the upper part of your quads closer to your pelvis and then move your way down towards your knees. You can kind of wiggle your body back and forth so you're going from one side, one hip closer to the ground and then the other hip closer to the ground in order to make sure you get all four of those quad, hence the quad, four muscles. Now after you have your quads all worked out, you want to flip over so you're sitting on the foam roller and we're going to work on your glutes. What you want to do is put one ankle over the opposite knee and then you're going to sit on one side of your butt and roll that side of your butt back and forth across the top of the foam roller. So the ankle that's crossed, that's the side, the glute that you should be working on. And then once you're done with that one side, flip over to the other side. You're gonna do the same thing. Roll back and forth across that glute muscle until it feels nice and relaxed. Do this at least once a day for a few minutes. Spend a few minutes on your spine, a couple minutes on your lower body, and in no time your back is going to be feeling so much better. Thank you so much for listening and have a great day.